Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for my envelopes for this week. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, become a member of the family, and leave me a comment down below letting me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you more than I can say. So to start off, we're going to empty out what's remaining in my cash envelopes. So for gas, I have 20, 41, 42. So we're just going to set that there. 42 for gas. In food, I did get a coffee this week. So I have 20 in food. Beauty always rolls over week to week. And then in spending, I have $5. This envelope here is my Larry envelope, and this is money that goes back to the bank to pay for things that I put on my credit card over the week, like gas when I go to Costco. So what's left over is 20, 40, 60, 71, and 72. So $72 will be going to the side, and this will go into my savings challenges. So we'll put that to the side. And then going back to my envelopes. So for gas, every week I give myself $100 for gas. I'm pretty much staying under it, but I do drive a lot, so I want to keep with the 100. So we'll be putting this in here. If you're new to my channel, I am a hospice nurse, so I do drive around a lot. Some weeks not so much as others, so you will see that this kind of goes up and down. But it's been pretty consistent lately because my territory has, or my visits have been in certain territories in one day, so I'm not driving up and down the freeways and the coast. So food gets $25. I do take food with me as, well, I try to take food with me for my visits so that I can just snack on them during, my ride, and I try not to spend money, but I give myself this just in case I want to stop by and get something, or I want to have lunch with friends or things like that. So food will get 25. Beauty gets 25. This envelope is for when I get my hair done, as well as any hygiene products, bath products, things like that that I get for myself comes out of beauty. So that's why it continuously rolls over. I get my hair done every 3 months, so you'll see that it'll wipe out and then it'll fill back up. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15, 25. So $125 in beauty. Next is my spending money. I give myself $15 every week. I am on a low spend year. I am trying to pay off some debt and get my emergency fund and my 3 to 6 month emergency funds built up. So I give myself $15 on anything, to use towards anything that I want to pick up. Again, that is money going back to the bank. So we will set this one aside. And next I'm going to go into my long-term or dated envelopes. These are things that I save up over the year that come up once a year. One of them, which is my nursing renewal, comes up every 2 years, but it will be due this year, so I will have enough by the time it comes up in October to renew. So first is my car registration, and in car registration we'll be getting $10. So this will be coming up in a few months as well. So now we have 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and 200. So what I do is I divide what I owe by 12 months, and then I put that money away every month so that when it comes up, I don't have to take it all at one shot. My nursing renewal will get, let's see, $5. This is every 2 years to renew my license, and so I put little by little every month. So we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, and 205. Again, this is not due until October, so I still have a little bit of time to finish saving that up, and I need 255. Moving, I have not put anything in here yet. My P.O. Box. My P.O. Box will get $6. I pay 6 months, and I'm able to get the 7th month free. So in our P.O. Box, or my P.O. Box rather, I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So $52 going into my P.O. box. Next is my Amazon Prime. My Amazon Prime will not be getting anything today. I just paid my Amazon Prime in January, so it's not due until next January. I hope everybody's having an amazing week and it's treating you good and you're treating yourself good. It's something that I truly believe in, that self-care is so important. So please make sure you're taking care of yourself. This is my undated envelopes, or my short-term. These are ones that I go in more regularly throughout the year. My first one is my family fun envelope, and this is for anything that has to do with family, barbecues, when we get together for holidays, if we go to the movies together, or if we go out to eat together, I will take it out of here. Or anything for my nieces and nephews that I want to get them. That's, one of my nieces who's 6 is trying to earn money to buy things that she wants, and so if she drives my car, I give her $5. I just take it out of here. So family fun will be getting $10. So in family fun, we have 20, 30, 40, and 50. Next is birthdays. Birthdays will be getting 10. So in birthdays, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 15. So $115 towards birthdays. I've kind of already went through my burst of birthdays for the beginning of the year, and so I don't get another burst towards the, for a couple more months, which is nice. So this should kind of be able to build up. Next is my medical. My medical is fully funded at $500. I did go to urgent care a couple months back and I haven't received a bill, but I do feel like I should be owing something. So I am going to reach out to them to find out, just to make sure that, I can get it paid and it's not just sitting there. So that will come out of here, and then I'll build it back up to $500. So for now, medical is fully funded. Next is clothes. I would be putting $10 in here, but I'm going to skip clothes because I don't really need anything right now. And I need to focus more on car maintenance because I do need to get tires and brakes in the next couple months, as well as an oil change. I know those things are going to come up, sooner than normal because of all the driving that I'm doing. So today clothes won't be getting anything. And then moving on to car maintenance. Car maintenance usually will get $10, but today I'm going to put the $10 from clothes into car maintenance. So car maintenance will actually get 20. So we'll put the 20 in here. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 15. So $115 going towards car maintenance. If I can get this open. And then next is support small. I try and put money aside for anything that I want to get from Etsy or, other friends and budgeters, small businesses, whether it's their own website or through Etsy. And so I'm going to put $5 in here, although this is pretty much already spent. So support small will get $5. Next is my YouTube. I will not be putting anything in here, but I will count what's in here so you guys know that I haven't taken anything out of here. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and 80. This $80 is going to go to a giveaway, one being for a binder. I do get a lot of comments on my Be Positive binder. This was made by Free over at Budget with Free. Her Etsy shop is Crafted by Free. And so I sent her a picture, let her know kind of my idea and what I wanted, and this is what she designed and came up with. I absolutely love this binder. It even has little honeycombs. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it has the honeycombs kind of in the background. And so I really like this, love this binder. Like is an understatement. And so a part of this money is going to actually go to a giveaway for somebody to be able to get their own custom made binder by Free. Eventually when she's caught up and I can touch base with her, that's where that money will go. So that is the last of my cash envelopes. I thank you so much. Please look forward to a product launch. I thank everybody who's been going to my Etsy shop. I know I only have a couple listings there, but I do plan on putting more items there. If you see things in other budgeters videos and you're interested in them, you can always go to my Instagram and message me, and we can work something out to where I can send it to you through there since they're not listed on Etsy. But for now, that is it. Thank you so much for being here, for sticking with me. I thank you guys so much. Appreciate you, love you, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.